No wonder Selena Gomez's voice sounds unusually weird. No one realized that Justin Bieber's new tattoo caused her to undergo 3 creepy changes, and Benny Blanco canceled his wedding. Selena Gomez's voice at the Golden Globes sounded oddly distorted, almost as if she had swallowed a voice-altering device, starkly different from her usual clear and vibrant tone. This change is due to her long battle with lupus, a chronic illness that not only affects her body, but also threatens her vocal cords, potentially putting her singing career at risk. Meanwhile, Selena's ex-boyfriend Justin Bieber's new moon tattoo has sparked discussion. Selena means moon goddess in Greek, and this connection has led many to speculate that Bieber still harbors feelings for her. However, this has forced Selena to confront emotional shadows of her past. Some believe this is linked to the pause in Selena and Benny Blanco's wedding plans, though Benny already removed Justin from the guest list. In truth, Benny decided to pause the wedding preparations to prioritize Selena's health and well-being.